Hi everyone, welcome to Ami's Lifestyle. I'm back with another Indo-Chinese recipe that is called Lat Mai Paneer. It is similar to chili paneer but doesn't have any green pepper or any other vegetables in it. And I had this dish when I was back in India. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this. So into the pan, I will be taking about 1 cup all-purpose flour. To this, I'll be adding about a half a cup corn starch. Now, if you have a corn flour, you can add that, but make sure it's a white one and not the yellow one. Next, I will be adding salt to taste. Now, salt, we want to keep it a little bit back because we'll be using chili garlic sauce as well as the soya sauce. Next, I will be adding about 1 tablespoon of black powder. Now, it's up to you. If you want more spicy, you can add more, but 1 tablespoon is more than enough here. Next, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. If you can find the low sodium one, that would be really great. Next, I will be adding about 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. Now, it's up to you. If you want more spicy, you can add more. But here in this batter, we are just looking for light flavor of chili garlic. Now I will add water. Now this batter we want very smooth as well as the runny consistency. So we just want to lightly coat the paneer into this batter. And here I took about 400 grams of paneer and I cut them in the small cubes. That is the one thing. You want to make sure that they are cut in the small cubes and the bigger one. And now the oil is getting hot, so I will deep fry the paneer. And when you deep fry the paneer, you want to again make sure the oil is hot, nice and hot. Second thing, you want to add the paneer one at a time. You don't want to put 2 or 3 paneer at once, otherwise they're gonna stick together and it will not taste good and not look good either. So this is what you want. You want to make sure they are separate. And once they all are done, we just gonna keep it on one side, and now we'll make the gravy for this. So for gravy, I took about 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, I will be adding about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Again, more garlic is always better in the Indo-Chinese food. Next, I will add about 1 teaspoon of ginger, and this one is like a finely chopped. Next, I'm using about 1 cup of chopped onion. Again, you want to make sure the onions is finely chopped and not the big chunk here. Next, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. Again, this one is up to you. If you want spicy, go more. Also, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. And here I'm just adding dash of ketchup, not too much, so half a tablespoon is more than enough here. And of course, you cannot finish this dish without the vinegar. So 2 tablespoons of vinegar is much better. And then I will be adding about 1 tablespoon cornstarch dissolved in the cold water just to thicken up this gravy, because in this we don't want the runny consistency of the gravy, we want the thick one and dry one. So after adding this, I will go ahead and add all the paneer in here. And at this stage, you want to add the paneer when you are almost ready to eat, because otherwise the paneer will be soggy and again, it's not going to taste good. So you just want to garnish with the green onion, and that's it, friends. It's all done. I hope you like this recipe. Please give it a try. Let me know. And do not forget to watch my last video about the veg Manchurian. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.